Hello everyone, this is Team Ball Friendship Nerf's unboxing videos, and today, if you watch my recent video, you want to see my Nerf Stockade review. And this is like 5 minutes after I literally just done it, and here it is. This is the Stockade. It feels real nice. Yeah. So today I'm doing the Nerf Firestrike, and this one. The reason I bought this is because it's cheap, really good. It has a Nerf. It has a laser dart. Laser sight. Well, not a laser sight. Not like an actual laser. Like a red sight that points a red dot at the ground from 15 feet away. It claims 90 feet because it's the XD edition, but I don't really believe that. It's probably at least 70 something. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna scoot. Okay, so there's 2 pieces of string right here. Just cut that open, pretty easy. And there's also another one right by this handle right here. I'm just gonna get this and cut it right here. Perfect. She is free. Nice and silent. Okay? You can also get out not the batteries, the darts. This gun does take 2 AA batteries, just for the red dot thing. I just cracked his neck. So we got that. You got your darts right here, which are that's what it was. The instructions are on those. You don't need those. It's one of the most simple blasters I have. Okay, so apparently, the bullet comes in here. It holds 2 darts down here. Put it in. Put it in. But where the batteries go is on here, which is actually kind of like a real pistol. And my screwdriver doesn't fit. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, I am back, and I got a smaller screwdriver. Oh, I was messing around and I bit my tooth. If you remember from the last episode, you can tell that it was literally 5 minutes ago because my tooth is still here. Okay, so a small screwdriver. You just gotta unscrew this one bit right here, which I cannot do because the screwdriver is too small, and it's not too small. It's perfect, but it's too hard for me because the grip of it is too small. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna speed it up. Boom! Okay, take your AA batteries, just like I said, like a real gun, like a real pistol's ammo. You put it up in here, just like. What batteries does this take again? Because they don't fit. I'll be right back. Okay. So, okay, let's put that in there. Let's put battery 1 in, and battery 2 in, right in there. Perfect. Where did the shield go? Okay, and then you just gotta put this here. Okay, I got it. Oh man, look at that. Hold on. Do you see this? Hold on, take a look at this. My camera might not be able to see it. Oh God. I'm so sorry about this. See that? Okay, let's fix this. Okay, and we're back to normal. I don't know why that happens whenever whenever it's dark and I'm using my FaceTime HD cam. It doesn't really work that well, okay? And you got your blaster. Now let's put the darts in, finally. Put one dart in there, one dart in here, one dart in here, your butt cheek darts, and it shoots hard. I want to see that again. This thing sure might get 90 feet. Maybe like 80, but... Oh! This is great! You know what? My two favorite guns now. The Stockade, the Firestrike. Wee-oo. Awesome. So that is this tutorial, not tutorial, unboxing and review, and I hope you all enjoyed. Bye! This was Team Ball Friendships Nerf unboxing and review, and I'll see you later.